Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily do sky replacements in Photoshop 2021. And really quick before we get started, if you're a YouTuber and you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, definitely check out TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an awesome platform that will help you grow your YouTube channel quickly. If you're interested to know more about TubeBuddy, definitely check out my link in the description below. Okay guys, so here I have a photo from Sedona. Now this photo right here was taken on a day where the sky looked really bad. And honestly, if there was a way better sky, this would be a way better shot. For any of you that are wondering, this shot was captured with my DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and the location where this was taken is Sugarloaf Summit. So just in case you were wondering, I'm actually standing right here in the middle. So in the 2021 version of Photoshop, they made a extremely useful feature called the sky replacement tool. Now, when I say that this thing is awesome and game-changing, I'm not joking. It's a really great tool. So once your photo is opened up in Photoshop, you want to go to the Edit tool up here at the top. And down here, you want to look for sky replacement, which is right here. Once you select that, it'll load the sky replacement tool, and it'll load the last shot that was used. So for some reason I had this rainbow, but you basically get this new toolbar here where you can adjust the sky replacement and change it. So Photoshop has a bunch of built-in skies. They have various blue skies. They have spectacular, which is like sunset or sunrise. And this photo right here is actually a photo I captured with my drone of a sunset. More on that later. But yeah, there's different skies that you can choose from. And if you want to see what it looks like on your photo, you can just select it. And there it goes. It'll load it in, and it loads it in extremely well. Like, look how clean that looks. That shot is already 150% better than the original. Let's try something a little bit more fun. Like, well, let's give it some clouds. Let's see what it looks like with clouds. Wow. So as you can see, you can just go through here and select different skies. That's amazing right there. I'm gonna try this one. And then this one right here, like I said, you can actually load in your own photos. So for example, I took this photo right here with my drone of the sunset in Phoenix, and once I loaded the photo in, now I can select it and it'll automatically place that sunset on this photo. So it's really amazing, honestly, what this tool can do for your photos. By the way, if you want to know how to add your own picture, you just go to this plus symbol right here and you drag the file into place and you open it, and that will add it to Photoshop so that you can overlay that sky on other photos. So once you've chosen the sky that you want, you can now adjust the temperature of it. You can adjust the brightness, you can lower it or raise it up. You can adjust the fade edge, which I believe is like along this horizon line right here. So you can adjust the softness of that or the hardness of it, the shift edge. So I haven't really played with these tools, but they're more of like customization. Just honestly, like even the way that it automatically loads in just looks incredibly good and very clean. So once you've decided that you like the photo, you just press OK. It creates the layers for the sky replacement here in the layers panel. And there's your photo. You can export it as is or continue to edit in Photoshop. But that is how you do a very easy sky replacement in Photoshop 2021. Very awesome tool and very useful. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have been playing with this tool, and let me know if I taught you something new. If I did, definitely hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.